Hello. So, ito po yung iiwan namin, ma'am. This is clean already. This is ready. Aircon is off. So, ito siya. Yan. We have vanity here. Maliit lang. And everything is clear. Napakadami pong hangers. And ironing board and iron right there. So, ito siya. The first room. The second one is ready din din. It is clean. So, ayan siya. So, ayan po siya. Okay. And then, going out is ready na siya. It is clean. Ganun siya. Oh, let me see the toilet. Yung toilet pala is witty. So, ayan siya. Clean na po. Nilatag lang namin yung yung shower curtain kasi para matuyo. And this is all clean. Right there is ready. So, patay natin ilaw. Is this ready? And here. Yan. And our sofa, nilagyan na namin ng cover. And yan. Two of it. Ready. So, that's all.